here are our board of judges. Our judge number one is a songwriter, a music producer, performing artist, voice artist trainer, and a government communicator. He is known as Papa Lem and is a Filipino songwriter and music producer recognized for culture-rooted cinematic and performance-ready original songs. He wrote and produced the currently viral track Awit ng Lupa, which gained wider attention after being used in Miss Cosmo Philippines 2025 Sari Manok attire featured by Miss Chelsea Fernandez and in the Balitok P. Alicia Showdown during the Bambante Festival in Isabela. He also created the fantaserye-inspired song set Himig ng Tubig, Awit ng Hangin, Alab ng Apoy, and Alab ng Apoy under his record label Papa Lem Music. He composed the 2025 Paskuhan sa Jensen official soundtrack Lakbayin ang Ganda ng Pasko, 2026 Hinugyaw Festival official soundtrack of Coronadal City, South Cotabato, and is the composer of the official hymns of the Certified Voice Artist Program and the Certified Voice Artist Philippines Incorporated, with other works including Lakas ng Kalikasan, Ina ng Mga Bundok, Maligno sa Gabi, Ang Balaang Bata, The Santo Niño, and he attended the Joey Ayala songwriting workshop in 2019 where he wrote his first original song, Ano Kaya? A youth action piece for positive social change. Papa Lem is a Bachelor of Arts major in English graduate of Mindanao State University, General Santos, the first ever MSU Got Talent champion in 2011, and one of the Filipino singers featured in the Philippine rendition of Defying Gravity for Universal Pictures Philippines Awiting Wicked music video to promote the Wicked movie starring Ariana Grande and Cynthia Erivo. He currently serves as the Information Officer 2 and Sarangani Coordinator of Philippine Information Agency or PIA Sergeant and the Executive Director of Voice of the Youth Network. He is also the head trainer of the Certified Voice Artist Program and the president of the Certified Voice Artist Philippines Incorporated. He was awarded the 2024 General Santos City Youth Achievers Award for Youth Excellence in Artistic Discipline and was commended by the Sangguniang Panlungsod of General Santos City for his contribution to the arts. He values clarity of message, melodic strength, originality, cultural grounding, and performance readiness as his judging lens. Ladies and gentlemen, our judge number one, Mr. Harlem Jude Ferrolino. Ang ating ikalawang hurado ay isang Moro Magindanaon na guro, mananaliksik at manunulat at isa ring editor. Siya ay nagtuturo bilang Assistant Professor 4 sa Departamento ng Filipino, Kolehiyo ng Anghang Panlipunan at Humanidades ng Mindanao State University General Santos, kung saan 6 na taon na siyang nagtuturo ng General Education 106 or GEC 106 na pagpapahalaga sa sining. Siya ang kauna-unahang Moro Maguindanaon na nanalo ng Don Carlos Palanca Awards for Literature noong 2017. Naging fellow ng regional at national na creative writing workshops. Humigit sa 20 mga akda niya ay nailathala sa iba't ibang aklat at publikasyon sa Pilipinas. Sa kasalukuyan, siya ay nag-aaral ng doktoradong degree sa PhD Malikhaing Pagsulat sa University of the Philippines, Diliman. Ang ikalawang horado ay walang iba kundi si Ginoong Mubarak M. Tahir. Ang ating ikatlong judge, or our judge number 3, is a graduate of FEBIAS, major in music conducting. He is the founder-director of the Bunuyugan Choral of Mahitom. And is the former board member of this province of Sarangani from the municipality of Mahitom. Let us welcome the Honorable Jess C. Basconia. And this is our three distinguished panel board of judges.
Thank you so much, Sir Erwin. And this time, ladies and gentlemen, without so much ado, are you all ready? Yes, ready. Isa ra ang itaas og kamot. Are you all ready? Singers, performers, are you